we have a hope as children of God, and our hope is that in this life that is here with us. And what we're going to talk about this evening is about Pentecost, and I saw this as I was preparing, that in Christmas time, if you can't read there, that we celebrate the birth of Jesus. He came to be with us, Emmanuel, God with us. Easter was God for us. Jesus paid the price for us. And then Pentecost that we celebrated, we're going to talk about this evening, is God in us. Holy Spirit come to live in and through us. Our theme this evening is in spirit and in truth. So Pentecost, it's the day that we celebrate today. About 2,000 years ago, a special occurrence happened on the feast of Pentecost. Now Pentecost is a well-known feast for the Jews and those in Israel, and they celebrate that 50 days after Passover. So Passover was celebrating the sacrifice. Firstly, it started as Israel coming out of Egypt. So they reminded the sacrifice that they had of the lamb, the blood of the lamb that saved them. For us as Christians, we know that on that exact same feast, Jesus was crucified. The Passover lamb. He became the Passover lamb for us. He was crucified just before that time.